cold and rainy. It's December, it's winter time. We're here doing another awesome private catering. I got my main girl with me, Jennifer, in there. What's up, Jen?
Hey!
So we're gonna knock this thing out. Today, a really special guest, William Branch with Premier Lending. This guy makes things happen, he gets things done. I love him, he's just an awesome guy. William, thanks for letting us cater this. We're gonna rock it out, all right? Hey, everyone's having an awesome time back there opening up their presents. Jen, we're putting in some French bread in the oven, and we're getting ready to have a awesome Christmas dinner. I got the salads already plated and on the table, and I think everyone's hungry, so we've got to get ready to eat a lot of good food here.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine.
For dinner tonight we have boeuf bourguignon. I'm a big fan of Julia Child. If you don't know who she is, I'll leave a link to her awesome video here. It's a timeless video, how to make boeuf bourguignon. It's in black and white, but you'll really enjoy it. Basically a really rich French stew, more or less. So seared beef, red wine reduction with some beef broth, portobello mushrooms, baby carrots, pearl onions. Just the whole thing, it tastes like Christmas. It's a beautiful dish, and I know everyone's gonna enjoy it tonight. Dinner was a success. I'm actually over here just wiping down these counters, and I want to make sure that this kitchen is spotless. William, Premier Lending, thank you guys so much. Again, I can't say it enough. We had a wonderful experience, and it was a privilege to be your chef this Christmas dinner. And we hope to see you hopefully next year. We'll make it bigger and better in 2019, all right? I promise. You may have heard me say this before, but if you're ever hiring a private chef or a caterer, make sure that they go above and beyond. Taking out the trash is just part of the job, right? There's the man right there, William. I talked about him when we started today. This is a guy that makes things happen, and that's what I love about him. William, tell me about Premier Lending. What do you do, man?
What we do is we help people get into homes and make it a seamless process.
So like what you do is a big thing. People trying to get into houses and like try to get financed. It's a big thing.
Correct. So that's why it's important to work with a local lender. For one, that they're gonna take care of you and give you the best customer service you possibly can get. But the end goal is to help you achieve the American dream of purchasing a house or looking to refinance.
Dude, that's crazy. And let me just tell you, the Christmas party tonight was amazing.
Awesome. Well, Opa did an amazing job. If you've never been to his restaurant, you got to check him out. He cooks the best food. This is the second year that we've had him at our annual Christmas party. Can't thank you enough for everything you did for us.
No, but I mean, obviously, you know, William, all joking aside, successful, really successful, and that entrepreneurial mindset, and that's kind of what we're talking about on this channel a lot, is just going out there and getting it done. And I just love people who make things happen, and you make things happen every day.
We appreciate you and your team. Y'all did an amazing job tonight. Our food was delicious, and just thank you again. We're gonna have you again next year. If you're looking to have a catering for your party, Christmas party, or just you and your friends, and you want Kostas to come to your house, you need to call him today.
We are back at Opa Greek Tavern. It's like 12:30 on a Saturday night. The entire parking lot is empty. I'm actually over here at Opa Greek Tavern, and we're just gonna unload all the stuff from the catering order. A great time. William, you're doing amazing things with Premier Lending. Thanks again for letting me cater that special event. I always love being a private chef for you, and hopefully we'll get the job again next year. I think we're already pre-booked, so yeah, thanks, man. For everybody else, make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and we will see you guys in the next video. Shh.
away.